It's easy to take this for granted. The forests, the water, the quiet. But protecting these places, and the ones who call them home, takes care, commitment, and a lot of hard work. It's not just about preserving beautiful landscapes. It's about safeguarding our future. For you, for them, for the people you love, for the ones you'll never meet. Because nature isn't just somewhere out there. It's the air, water, and earth that sustains you every day. At Parks Canada, conservation goes beyond protecting trees, wildlife, and places to play. We're restoring ecosystems, adapting for climate change, preserving biodiversity, creating more protected spaces, and doing everything we can to leave a healthy and resilient environment for future generations. Together with Indigenous peoples, we're working to braid Indigenous knowledge and Western science to protect and restore the land. Every day, in every corner of the country, we're working hard to make sure our lands and waters are as full of life and beauty tomorrow as they were yesterday. Because when we protect nature, we're protecting our heritage, our health, our livelihoods, and the crucial benefits that nature provides, like fresh air and clean water that support our way of life. So the next time you're out here, look around, take a deep breath, and know that we're here caring for these lands and waters on your behalf, because this place is part of your story too.